Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to write the first Python program on PyCharm. I hope everyone has downloaded the PyCharm community version. So we are going to see how the PyCharm interface looks like. So this is the PyCharm interface. So first of all, you're going to click the file and create a new project, right? So here you're going to name your project. I have already made a project that is Python Tech. Now I'm going to click on it and new file. Which file I want? The Python file. So kindly write the name. So I'm going to write it as first. So the file has created. Now, how do we write the first Python program and what do we do in it? There are many questions comes in our mind. So first of all, we are going to print something in the interface by writing the code. So how do we print something? By using the print statement, right? Print. So what do you want to print? We are just entering the whole new word of Python. So welcome in the Python world. Welcome to the Python world. So we have written the code in the print statement. Now we are going to execute with the help of the run command. Kindly click on run. Then here run. Then our Python file name is first. Kindly click on here. Now the output is welcome to the Python world. So this is our Python's first program. I hope you like it. And if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.